Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file company tax returns using an easy method. First, understand your specific tax obligations based on your business type. Next, gather all essential financial documents, including income statements and expense reports. Finally, select the appropriate tax forms for your company's legal structure, whether it is a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. This foundational preparation saves significant time and reduces potential errors during the filing process. To ensure a smooth filing process, you will need several key documents. These include your company's income statements, balance sheets, and comprehensive payroll records. Make sure your employer identification number, or EIN, is easily accessible. Additionally, meticulously track all deductible expenses and potential tax credits, as these can significantly reduce your overall tax liability. Organizing these items beforehand is crucial for accuracy. Now, let us walk through the actual filing steps. Carefully complete every section of your selected tax forms, ensuring all information is accurate and consistent. It is vital to double-check all calculations to avoid any mathematical errors that could lead to delays or penalties. For efficiency and speed, consider submitting your completed tax return electronically, which often provides immediate confirmation of receipt. After successfully filing your company's tax return, there are a few crucial follow-up actions. Ensure any taxes owed are paid in full by the designated deadline to prevent late penalties. Always retain copies of your filed returns and all supporting documentation for at least 3 years, or even longer. Finally, take time to review your financial performance, using this information for strategic business planning moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.